Hello viewers, today I have this JBL Flip 6 Bluetooth speaker. In this battery draining problem is there, battery backup is very less. So in this video I am going to show you how to replace the battery of this JBL Flip 6 Bluetooth speaker. So this is original JBL Flip 6 battery, so which is very rarely available, but it is available with me here in AudioViz 360. I am located here in Bangalore. So if you want to buy this battery, please do message on this above WhatsApp number, and if you want me to replace the battery, you can send the speaker to AudioViz 360. Here I can replace the battery and I can ship it back to your address. Alright, without wasting any time, let's start replacing the battery. So now we have to open this mesh here. So for that we have to pry it from this place. So let me show you how to take this mesh off. So simply by inserting something like this, and you can lift like this slowly. So that's it, locks has been opened. Now similarly we have to lift like this. So that's it, lock has been opened. Now we can simply take out easily like this. Then pull out this, and that's it. Just sliding it slowly like this, it will come out. So there is no work in this mesh, so I'm just keeping it. So now you can see there is a base driver, mid base driver, and tutor is there. So battery will be this side. So we have to take off this base radiator this side. So you can see Martin Garrix, this is the special edition. Actually this is Flip 6, but this is special edition. But the other Flip 6 also is similar, just exterior is different, that's it. The designs are different, the looks is different, rest everything is same. So alright, now you can see there are locks here, 1 2 3 and 4 locks are there. Just we have to pry that to take that out, so that we can take out this base radiator. So let me just slowly do like this. You can see lock has opened. So this side it has crack, but no problem. And this side, that's it. All 4 locks has been opened. This one still I have to remove. That's it. You can see just by pulling like this, base radiator will come out. So let me keep this separately. And there are 2 screws here. This is the cover of the battery, just to hold the position battery and this motherboard. So alright, let me take out these 2 screws. So this is Phillips screws. I am going to use Phillips screwdriver here. So that's it. Let me keep these screws separately and just slowly lifting like this, it will come out. So you can see the battery is here. So we have to take out the socket here. You can take from here as well, but it will be difficult for the new beginners, and you may end up breaking something. So I will show you it in a proper way. So you can see there is a flex cable here that we have to remove actually. Like this, we have to lift it, and slowly if we pull out, flex cable will come like this. And now we have to remove this tweeter here, and as well as we have to remove the base driver, so that we can push the motherboard. There might be some cables connected below this to the motherboard. So if we pull the motherboard, then we end up breaking the cables and flex cables and wires. So we have to remove all those, then we can slowly pull the motherboard to remove the socket here of the battery. So alright, let me take these screws out. So this is that tweeter. So now so that's it. Just by lifting like this, this will come out. You can see this is the speaker driver, and I'm going to simply pull this socket. It will come very easily here like this. So this is the base driver. I'm going to keep this separately, and you can see this is the flex cables which I said you in the a while ago. So alright, now we'll try. You can see if we push it, you may end up damaging this flux cable, and you may end up damaging this flux cable. And there is one more tiny flux cable which is here going to this control. We have to take out these tweeters so that we can push it, because tweeter terminals are directly gone to motherboard. There is no wires. So while taking this out, most of the persons will break or damage the connection here. So be very careful while taking this out. So I am going to slowly push from back side so that this will come up. So I have tried it slowly, so without damaging I have taken the tweeter here. So you can see there is no wires directly going to the socket. So alright, now let me keep this tweeter here separately. So now we can try to access the socket here. So this flex cable was glued at the bottom, so I have slowly removed it. So again we can paste it back, that is not an issue. And we have to remove this, it has been glued, lots of glue has been used here to hold this socket in its place. So still there is a little gap, so I am going to push the motherboard slowly. You can see how it is moving. Now I can access this socket very easily. So there is a clip here, we have to lift the clip and pull up the socket so that the socket will come out. So let me do that. Once it is opened, I will show you how it is locked. So this is how we have to remove. You can see this is the lock here. By pressing like this we have to pull it. So now the battery will come out easily. So this is the bad battery here. So this is the original battery of JBL Flip 6. So the battery which I am going to use here is, so this is the battery which I am going to use 100% original battery. So same to same belongs to JBL Flip 6. So this, if you want to buy, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. I am located here in Bangalore and this can be shipped to any part of India. So if you want me to replace the battery, then you can send the speaker here. I can replace the battery behalf of you and I can ship it back to your address. So alright, without wasting any time, let's continue. So I'm going to keep this battery separately, the bad one. So let me install this battery. Just we have to do the reverse process here now. So you can see how easily it goes, because this is the original battery here. So very easy. Just we have to install the socket here. So let me install that. So simply I'm going to press it now. You can see lock will happen. So it is locked now perfectly. Now I'm going to just slide in the motherboard little bit. So that's it. So this part has been done successfully. Now I have to install this flux cable back to its place. So let me position it and lock the connector here. So I have positioned the flux cable. Just simply I'm going to lock this. That's it. Lock has been installed. Now we have to put the cover here. So then we have to put the base radiators. Before that I'm going to position this back to its place. You can see glue is already there, just I have applied the just positioned it properly. So that's it. Now I have to install the tweeter here. So let me install that first. So before installing, you should not turn this around here and there, because you may end up breaking this. So how to identify which position is correct? So you can see there is a placeholder here. There is a plastic part here, tiny part, and you can see there is a small hole here. So this hole should go into this plastic part. And before that, don't forget to put this air seal. Without this, air leakage will happen and distortion will be there. So again, in this air seal has hole, so it has positioned here exactly. Now we have to keep and press it properly. We should not force unevenly. We have to press it properly, evenly, so that the lock will get positioned, the connectors will get connected properly. Just slowly pressing like this, you can see perfectly fitted. Now we have to install the two screws, so let me do that. So that's it, tutor has been installed. So now it's time to install the speaker driver here, bit based driver. So simply I'm going to connect the socket and install the 4 screws. Make sure you are connecting it properly and push inside properly, and make sure this rubber yellow part, or you may have a white transparent rubber. So based on the different series it will be different, even in Flip 6. So you can see it is positioned properly, oval shaped rubber. So now I am going to simply keep these base driver here and install the 4 screws. most of the people damage their drivers or tutors while tightening or loosening it. So make sure you are not going to damage the speaker drivers or and the tutor. So that's it, both base drivers and tutor has been gone back to its place. Now it's time to put this cover here. So let me install this. Simply we have to position it here like this, and we have to put 2 screws. So let me do that. So that's it, everything has been installed. Now simply I have to put the base radiator back to its place. So let me do that. So now it's time to install the base radiator. You have to position it properly. So there is a plastic here, you can see U-shaped plastic. So here U-shaped gap is there, big one, and you can see similarly here. So you have to match it like this simply, and we have to press it. That's it, all locked has been in its place, not here. You can see it is locked now, and this side all 4 locks has been properly locked. So you have to make sure that the lock is properly in its place, otherwise you may get air leakage problem, distortion, sound distortion will be there. So everything is perfect. Now before installing the top cover, I want to check the speaker. So let me turn on the speaker here. So here, moment of truth. So you can see it has entered in pairing mode. Speaker is turned on, everything is perfect. Finally, let's check the charging functionality here as well. So I'm going to turn off this speaker here. So let me connect the type C cable here. So light will come here. You can see it has started charging now. Light is blinking. So the charging functionality is perfect. Speaker has turned on, it has entered to pairing mode, everything is perfect. Battery replacement is successful. So if you want me to replace the battery, don't hesitate to message to this above WhatsApp number. I can replace the battery behalf of you. So I am located here in Bangalore. You can ship it from any part of India. If you are not from Bangalore, I can replace the battery and I can send it back to your address. So alright, very easy now. Just I have to put this cover back to its place. So you can see like this I have to install, and I'm going to take this part like this. Positioned, pressing like this, locked, everything is perfect. So battery replacement is done. So let me give you a small audio demo here. So let me turn on the speaker again. Pressing the Bluetooth button, it has entered in pairing mode. So I have opened the Bluetooth page. Flip 6 should come here. It has come. I'm just clicking it. Clicking the pair button. Connected. Let me play a song.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So that's it, audio demo. There is no air leakage whatsoever. Perfectly replaced and perfectly fitted back to its place. All the components has gone back to exactly to the same position. Because of that, there is no air leakage is happening. If the air leakage comes, there will be audio distortion will be there, like crackling sound. So make sure you have to put everything back to its place. So if you have any doubt, again I am telling you, please send it to me. I am located here in Bangalore. I can replace the battery and I can send it back to your address. And I have the original batteries here. Let me show you here. So these are the original batteries of JBL Flip 6. So if you want to buy, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. So that's it for this video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioWiz 360 and hit that notification bell icon, and write comment in the comment section below if you have any queries. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel AudioWiz 360. Please go through it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.